Dear students, welcome to you all. Today, through the video, I am going to discuss algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations. Dear students, we solve one more questions of exercise 3.2 from NCERT. Question number 7. Draw the graphs of equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and set the triangular region. For solution, the given equations are x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and second equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. For the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, tables of values here x, y and x coordinate in coordinate form x, y. If x is equal to 0, then y equal to 1 from the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. And coordinate form 0, 1. And if we take x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 0 and coordinate form minus 1, 0. Tables of values for equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Here x, y and coordinate x, y. If we take x is equal to 0 in 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, then y is equal to 6. And if we take x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 0 and the coordinate are 0, 6 and 4, 0. Dear students, plot the points A 0, 1 and B minus 1, 0 and draw the line AB from the figure 7.1, which is already given here. Similarly, plot the points C having coordinate 0, 6 and D having coordinates 4, 0 and draw the line CD. Here we can observe from the graph the vertices of the triangle formed by the given lines and the x-axis are the points 2, 3, 4, 0 and minus 1, 0. Now we discuss algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations. Dear students, in the previous section we have learnt graphical method of solving simultaneous linear equations in two variables. But always graphical method is not convenient to find out the solution, particularly when solution is in fraction like x is equal to minus 1 by 3, y is equal to 2 by 7. Then such a point cannot give the accurate answer on the graph paper. To overcome these difficulties and to get an accurate answer, we have algebraic methods of solving simultaneous equations in two variables are elimination method by substitution, second elimination method by equating the coefficients, and third cross multiplication method. Now we start elimination method by substitution. Here there are some steps, we follow them to find the solution of the given question. First step, treat one of the equations as an equation in one variable. This is achieved by assuming one of the two variables of this equation, say x, to be a constant and not a variable. Solve it for the other variable, that is express y in terms of x. In second step, substitute this value of y in terms of x and the other equation to obtain a linear equation in x and solve it for x. Step third, substitute this value of x in the expression of y in terms of x to obtain the value of y, and in fourth step, the values of x and y obtained in step 2 and 3 respectively provide the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Here we take some questions of exercise 3.3 related to this method from NCERT. Question number 1. Solve the pair of linear equations x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4 by the substitution method. For solution, the given equations are x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. This is taken as equation number 1 and 2. Here, according to the above steps, first we pick either of the given equations and write one variable in terms of other. Here we have given two equations, x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. So we can pick up either of the given equation and write one variable in terms of other. So here first we consider equation number 1. Either you can consider equation number 2 also or 1, but here we consider equation 1, we have x plus y is equal to 14 and we write the value of one variable in terms of other variable, means x is equal to 14 minus y. Either you can take y also and it can be written in terms of x, means if you take y then y is equal to 14 minus x, but here we take x is equal to 14 minus y and this is taken as equation number 3. Substituting the value of x in 2, we get here the value of x is 14 minus y and this value we substitute in equation number 2 because here the value of x is from equation number 1. So we put the value of x in equation number 2. If we find the value of x in equation number 2, then we put this value in equation number 1. So we substitute the value of x equal to 14 minus y in equation number 2. We get 14 minus y is equal to 4 and this is implies that 14 minus 2y is equal to 4, and after solving we get minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 14, and this is implies that y is equal to 5. Substituting this value of y in equation 3, here we get the value of y is equal to 5, so we substitute this value of y in equation number 3 to get the value of x, and this is equal to 14 minus 5 equal to 9. Hence x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5 is the required solution. Dear students, here note that we can verify our answer by replacing these values in any of the given equation, and we get both sides equal. Means we can verify the above equations. Here first equation, x plus y is equal to 14. So putting the value of x and y in LHS, we get 9 plus 5, and this is equal to 14, equal to right hand side. So here the value of x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5 are the correct values. Taking one more part, solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. Here the equations are 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2, and x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. To find the solution, the given equations are 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. This is taken as equation number 1, and x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. This is taken as equation number 2. Firstly, convert rational coefficients into integers by multiplying with LCM to both sides. Means we convert the above equations in simple linear equations. Then how can we convert? If the coefficients are given in rational form, then we multiplying with LCM to both sides to convert the coefficients into integers. So from first we have 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2, means minus 2 by 1. So here the LCM of 2, 3 and 1 on right side, here denominator is 1. So 2, 3 and 1, that is equal to 6. So we multiplying by 6 on both sides. This is implied that 3x by 2 into 6 minus 5y by 3 into 6, and after solving we get 9x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y, and this is implies that x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y by 9, and this is taken as equation number 3. From 2 we find the LCM of the denominators of the both sides. Here 3 to 6, the LCM of 3 to 6 is equal to 6, and we multiplying by 6 on both sides, we get x by 3 into 6 plus y by 2 into 6 equal to 13 by 6 into 6, and finally we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 here. And from 1 the value of x is equal to minus 12 plus from 3 the value of x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y is equal by 9. Putting this value here in this equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, we get 2 into minus 12 plus 10y by 9 plus 3y equal to 13, using 3 here. And after solving here, we get minus 24 plus 47y equal to 117, and this is implies that 47y equal to 117 plus 24, and this is implies that 47y equal to 141, and on the basis of this we find the value of y, and this is equal to 3. Substituting the value of y in equation 3 to find the value of x, and this is equal to minus 12 plus 10 into 3, because y is equal to 3, by 9, and after solving we get 18 by 9, and this is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. Hence x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is the required solution. Thank you.